everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction. A quick update on the 1 hour chart here, the intraday analysis as usual, where we are looking for 1 2 1 2 1 2, and we got our wave 3 top finally at the 90,000 almost, 90,000 for Bitcoin. That's a very nice. And we have started to see, of course, some take profit in that zone. Where we are looking for a little bit sharp wave towards the downside, but still not very clear, because of course it can be an impulse, right? 1 2 3 4 5, but internally it can be even it can be a zigzag, right? As a zigzag where you are looking for A, B, and a C, right? So as an impulse, you want to, of course, dive deeper, of course, for Bitcoin, but it's not really, nice to see this, because if we reach the wave 1 top here that we have, this is your invalidation of the bullish scenario, right? So we don't want to get to this far, to the 73,500, and such an impulse, well, it can bring it. It can bring it, yeah, such an impulse, 1 2 3 4 5. Whether you are a zigzag or even more impulsive, you're gonna have 3 waves, right? 3 waves correction, and then of course 1 more impulse toward the downside, taking the invalidation point. So that would be, of course, dangerous for Bitcoin in case we move with an impulse. Now, in case we are still corrective for our wave 4, which it has a higher possibility, of course, we want to move, of course, as just 3 waves toward the downside, where we are looking for A, B, and a C. Now, potentially your wave B did not finish yet, or soon that it might be finished. And we are looking, of course, for a wave C potentially towards the downside, at least taking the 0.23 taken from the top here and from the bottom of your wave 2. We are looking for an 83,870. Now let's dive a little bit deeper here in the 15-minute chart, of course, to take a look at what we are having inside it. So as we said here, this is our top for wave 5, and we are looking basically for 1 2 3 4 and a 5. And in this case scenario, of course, yes, we have an impulse towards the downside, where we are looking, of course, possibly for an A, B, and a C, or a 1 2 3 4 5, which is a little bit bearish here. Right, that it can be, it can transform to a bearish. Now, if we take our wave 2 impulse, the fib levels, we are already very close to the green zone, right, where we might have finished an ABC and then moving continuation towards the downside. So so these are the insights for Bitcoin. We are in an ABC first. If we pass the 1-to-1 fib level of a zigzag, which is here at 82,900, as you said, at around 83, we want to reach the fib level. So basically this is your 0.23. So if we dive, of course, as a zigzag, right, so definitely we're gonna hit the fib level, and we might, of course, overshoot a little bit, but we might retrace again and move up for one more high, of course, for a wave 5 in your bigger scenario that we are looking at here with several 1-2s, right? We have a several 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then 1 2. Now we are still in the orange scenario, right? So we are still in the orange scenario where we want to seek after this wave 4. And after that, we are looking for a wave 5, which it might reach possibly 100K. And then, of course, in that way, we're going to finish a wave 3 in the yellow. And of course, 4 and 5, and then 4 and a 5 for the white as well. And we might reach even over 120K for Bitcoin. So that was the update, the short update for Bitcoin on on the intraday, the 1 hour chart. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.